5 reasons why you should choose DAScenter for regular maintenance. For many drivers, the thought of car maintenance is enough to make them feel uncomfortable. However, regular maintenance can help prevent small problems from becoming big ones and save you a lot of time and trouble. Here are 5 reasons why you should choose DAScenter for your car's regular maintenance needs. We follow manufacturer's service and repair protocols for all European cars to ensure that your car is properly maintained and performing at its best. We only use OEM parts and accessories. They are the same parts that were originally installed on your vehicle, ensuring a perfect fit and proper performance. There will be no overcharge when you come to DAScenter. Pricing is based on the set time for the service, so there will be no extra costs. Our price is the most competitive on the market and a cost-effective alternative to dealerships. At DAScenter, our experts have over 30 years of experience in the European automotive industry. Our professional service is the reason why we're one of the most trusted European vehicle service centers in Dubai. We pride ourselves in delivering the best to our clients, and it shows in our reviews online. We focus on creating long-term relationships, which has led to us being well established in the industry. Whether it be a quick vehicle inspection or an engine overhaul, our skilled team are here to assist. Schedule an appointment at DAS today by clicking below.